Look at that beautiful sunset. It's beautiful out here. What's going on, guys? It's Oklahoma Outdoorsman here today, trying to pop out another video for you. Today, me and my brother are actually going to try and do a little bit of shooting. We've got to drive some T-posts real quick. There he is, in all of his shirtless glory. But we're gonna have to get into the tack barn, see if we can find this T-post driver. And I actually don't see it. Oh, there it is. Okay. So we're gonna have to drive a couple T-posts, and we have some gong style targets that we're gonna put up somewhere out there. Throw this over the fence real quick. Alright. Then we got that little guy over there. That he's gonna be helping today. There we go. Did you grab the gongs? Huh? Did you grab the gongs? No. I left them where you had them. I'm gonna grab the T-post. At least try to. Are you coming with? Alright, and I guess Jordan is gonna tag along too. You're probably gonna need shoes. You dork. But gonna get a couple of these T-posts real quick. See if I can find a couple good ones. Maybe. Okay. There they are. Make sure we don't step on any snakes, because they are out here. Okay. There's one. Two. We're gonna get 4 of them. 3 and 4. Alright, gonna load these up. I guess we're gonna probably take the 4-wheeler. Let me double check, make sure the tires are good. That's pretty good. That one's good. That one's good. Oh, that one's good. Hey, hold on, bug. Let's hook these T-posts up to it. Set y'all up while I do that real quick. If you're gonna take this out there, I'm gonna go out that side and go grab that T-post.
Where are we going?
Out there where that farm style thing is. That hill.
Okay. Let me pop my shoes.
Where we've been putting targets. Let me grab the rope.
He likes that.
Yeah. Alright. Got that loaded up. I'm gonna go over here and grab some rope. Maybe if I can get the tripod all straightened back out. There we go. Go back out here, grab the rope. Done made a mess in the old truck. Hey, hold on, watch out. Don't know what just happened, but that didn't sound good. Watch out, bub. Gotta shut the door. Got that. I guess I should probably go ahead and grab ammo. Should be enough. And the gun. Okay. Got that. You got the gongs?
No, they fell.
Alright, and since he's driving that, I'm gonna let him take that. The rope. Not that. I don't trust him with that. Well, no, I don't trust him with that. Chat, bub. Hey, watch out! Ooh!
You did not even care.
That was almost bad.
Almost.
Jordan, come in here.
What did you want this?
Watch the fence. I have no idea. I was wondering the same thing. Watch out, Jordan. Alrighty. He's gonna drop those T-posts. I just know he is. Hey, 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 come back. It was leaving. Did you see that? Gotta make sure we lock it, otherwise horses will get out. Alrighty. Let's go, bub. Look at that beautiful, beautiful Oklahoma sunset. See the planes taking off in the distance. It's right here. It's America. Look at that. I don't even know if you can see that plane. Man, it's beautiful out here. Definitely one of the most beautiful states. Hey, let's go. At least in my opinion. Maybe Texas. I like Texas. Let's go, bug. Make sure none of the horses are out, which I actually don't see them. They're probably up around that corner over there. Look at him. Always trying to test out that 0 to 60 on that thing. And let me tell you, it's all there.
Is that where you want it?
That'll work. Alright, let's go. Come on. Alright. We're walking. He's gonna ride the four-wheeler. Come on. You wanna say hi to the camera? Say hi.
Hi.
Love that boy. Come on, Slowpoke. Don't trip. Alright. I'm probably gonna have y'all, leave y'all on here and record this in hyperlapse. What up, bud?
Hey, boy.
Get this camera set up. Those, we're gonna put them, we're gonna have to do 4 of them. Go boom, 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 boom. About 4 foot apart. Alright, give me 1 sec, guys. All right, so this is what we got going on here. Hey, bub, quit hitting it. Boom, boom, boom. I got a sticker in my heel. Ow. Okay. And my brother is going to punch these 1/2-inch steel targets. So let's see it real quick.
Think it's gonna hurt?
Well, not with all that.
You don't think it'll hurt with all this?
No.
Yeah.
Told you.
So we should do it without it, is what you're saying.
I do it like that.
Like this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna wrap it twice.
There, that'll work.
Because I still kind of felt it. It still kind of hurt.
All right, ready?
It's gonna hurt. How bad do you think it's gonna hurt?
Not bad, because there's nothing behind it. If I was holding it and you punched it, it'd hurt a lot more. Now you gotta punch it. Come on, punch that.
I'm not gonna run and hit that, dude.
Run and hit that as hard as you can. Full send. Come
I'll
on.
run and kick it.
No.
I'll run and kick it. Full send it.
No. Full send with your fist.
No, I'll run and
full send with your head.
I'll full send with my feet.
No.
No, I'm full sending with my feet.
Okay, let's go. He's gonna full send this real quick.
I'll punch the tiny one for $5.
No.
Run.
We need to pick up all of our trash or else Dad's gonna be mad. We need to hurry.
Ready?
Go. Which one are you kicking?
The big one.
How do you feel?
Like
do you feel accomplished?
Like I won.
Oh, that was great. All right, we got our trash picked up. We just need to pick up the that thing. Yeah, T-post driver, and then we're gonna start shooting. We're gonna shoot it. You driving? All right, come on in, Jordan. All right, come on, hurry, 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 hurry. We're gonna shoot the guns. Yeah, just the one gun. All right, we got that target set up.
He died.
Was it overheating? Huh. Alrighty. Up over here. Run! Alright, that's good, Bug. Just kidding, we're going up here. Huh? What do you mean?
Where are we going?
I'm just going right here. Just leave this here because it's got all the stuff on it. Yeah, just pull up like right over here. You're gonna film. Yeah, just turn the four-wheeler off.
You know I have shaky hands, right?
Huh?
You know I have shaky hands, right?
You'll be alright.
Alright, hold up.
Alrighty. Just gonna load up real quick. We'll probably fast forward through most of this because this is just boring. Alright, that is 25. Loaded it. What the heck? Good to go. One in the chamber.
Are you shooting now?
Yeah, about to.
You mean to shoot? You're not supposed to go on the ground. Oh, look, we're gonna watch him. Is it loud? Oh, that's a hit.
I'm a little high. Let's get a little more stable shot.
You're not gonna be able to use any of this. I have shaky hands.
Why you come behind me?
So I can get the view of you and the target.
Oh, I know we're not out. Oh. We had one failure. Failure to eject. Oh, another one? Uh-oh. Alright, hold on. I'm out. We got issues. Let me see. Look at this. We got one in there turned sideways. If it'll focus. We got one in there turned sideways. We're gonna have to try and get out before we can shoot this thing anymore. I'm gonna work on that for a second. All right. I'm behind the camera now.
Ready?
Yep, go.
I don't want to talk about it.
No? Hey.
Wait, is it safety now?
Should be good.
Oh, I hit the trigger.
Yeah, you should be good.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, what's going on? Time out again. Back in business. Alright, let's try this again. Go ahead. Hit. 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 Kidding. You're probably out. I knew there was only a few left. Yep. Out of ammo. Alright, load back up and I'll probably let little man shoot. Alright, give us 1 sec. Alright, Ethan is going to actually try and hit the smallest target, which I don't think I'll be able to pick it up on camera. Yeah, no. Oh yeah, a little bit.
You can see the gosh darn thing. Go for the second one.
Where were you aiming?
Small.
Mm-mm.
Seems like I'm right.
He's trying to hit the tiny one. That target is literally like 4 inches. Here, let me try real quick. This man. Once again, look at how pretty that is. Come here and look how pretty this looks through the phone. How pretty that is.
Dang it, I couldn't even hit it once.
Dude, that's all. Alright, my dad's over here. He's gonna try and shoot this real quick. I don't know what he's aiming at. Aim for that big white one.
Is there one here?
Yeah?
You gotta kind of pull it back. Yeah, I'm just right next to shooting this thing.
Jam? I had to pull the mag out last time.
Yeah, you need to clean this, dude.
I'm gonna try it. Alright.
Which is more, is your sights accurate or is it your green dot?
My green dot, either one. I've been using my green dot.
That's what I've been using. You're out.
You're out. I'm aiming for the small one.
You're not gonna hit the small one.
Probably not.
I almost hit the small one.
Come on, buddy, your hands are ice. Let's go inside.
Can't even see it. Okay.
Which one was that? The big one?
The big one.
I kind of figured because I heard how deep the gong was.
I'm gonna hit that little one.
You're not.
I'm gonna hit that little one.
Hey, did you see the goldfish in the stop sign?
I have not.
What? Oh.
What are you doing?
I forgot that I was videotaping.
Videotaping?
What do you call it?
Recording? Like a normal person?
Well, I'm not normal, clearly.
I'm gonna hit that small one. Clear the lobe. Try that again. There we go. Should be good. I was right next to it. Got it.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. You can see it moving. Let me see if I can hit that middle one. Can't even see the middle one now. I seriously can't see it. Where's that?
It's in the middle of where it's a bit above the white one.
It is?
Yeah. Yeah.
Honestly,
You're to the left.
Honestly, on that middle one, I was just aiming in the general area. Because I can't see it.
You were to the left of it.
Really?
Here, I'm gonna go see if I can see the mark.
Yeah, I want to go see it too. Hey, let me see it. Here, let me see it. Alright. It's getting a little dark now. We're just gonna go check these hits and I'll probably let him shoot.
You wanna bet I can hit it?
From back there?
No, just hit it.
No, from back there?
$20, I can hit it.
No, from back
$20,
there.
I can hit it.
From back there with one shot.
$3, I can hit it.
Nope.
Alright, I'm gonna hit it anyway.
Hey, hold on, hold on. You'd figure he would have learned.
I hit it. The line almost took me out.
You figured he would have learned. Oh yeah, see, I hit it.
You hit it very far right.
Yeah. You mean left? That's left,
That's
bud.
right.
Yeah. No dent, just kind of scraped the paint. And then this one, you can see we hit this one a couple times.
Those ones were me.
I don't think that was a hit.
Yeah, it's line.
I think all the hits were over here.
Dang, you hit the line.
Oh! How do you know that was me?
Well,
look at that.
You are the stupid one, clearly.
Says the one that just ran up and hit that.
That's why you lost in basketball and tapped out in wrestling.
And then nobody hit the middle one, but we literally here.
I haven't answered you.
I aimed a couple times for the middle one, but you cannot see it from back there.
I hit the middle one.
From back there?
Yes.
Okay, try it.
Alright, how many shots do I get?
5.
5?
5. Oh, guys, it's just beautiful out here. There's the horses. Alright guys, after he shoots, I think I'm gonna wrap today's video up. This is gonna be another new series. I'm gonna try and film 4 times a week for y'all. I just held up 3 fingers, but I'm gonna try and film 4 times a week for y'all. We're gonna do MRE Monday. Let's see, Wheeling Wednesday. So 4-wheeler riding or off-roading in the truck be on Wednesdays. Fishing Fridays, which, I mean, obviously, fishing Fridays. And then shooting Sundays. So I'm gonna try my best to stick to that schedule. There'll probably be a couple of other random videos in there as well, but load her up. Load her up. You know how to do it.
I don't even think I know how to take out your mag.
You probably don't.
How did both of them pull down? Oh, so it's just racist.
Racist. You're the same racist as me, except you're Asian.
And you're Mexican, so it's still racist.
And I'm white.
I'm Caucasian.
You're mustard.
I'm mustard.
You're mustard. So you,
got that
Little
free
Mayo.
plug. Got that free plug.
Little Mayo. Add you on Snap. Is that really your name on Snapchat?
Yeah, Little Mayo 47.
As you can tell, we're just kind of out here trying to have a little bit of fun. Trying to see if we can hit some of these targets.
Alright, done. Is that 5? I don't know how to count.
No, Lord knows that. Okay.
You have one on safety or anything?
Ow. No, it's not unsafe. No, you can't use that. Freestanding. That's what I did.
What do you mean free?
Pull the lever back.
No, you did not do it freestanding.
Okay, you can sit. You can sit. Pull the lever back. Okay. She's live, boys.
Oh, just thank you.
Oh, you're gonna lay down.
I can can't not lay down.
Okay, you got 5 shots to hit it.
Oh, I can't even see it right now.
Exactly. Okay.
No, it's because it's dark now.
I couldn't see it at all. Trust me. Guys, tell me if you can see a middle target there. Y'all probably can't see much, but you literally cannot see a middle target. Only ones we can see are that black one on the end and that white one on the other end. Nope.
I cannot see it. Hold on.
You got what, 4 more shots? You don't even know. What are you doing?
Turn on the safety.
For what?
I'm gonna see if I can get a better angle. It's darker now, so it blends in even more.
I can't see it.
I can't even see the line.
Come on, you got this. You got 4 more shots and you got about 2 minutes to do it because the sun's going down. Safety off?
Safety off. Alright, so if I just go straight across.
Oh! He got it! He got the middle target. I seriously don't even think he saw it. Blast off the last 3. You got 3 more rounds.
Alright.
Hit the small one. Oh. That small one was easier than that middle one.
Not for me. I see small. Yeah.
Nope. 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 Hit the white one.
I just hit it. I swore I just hit it.
I don't see it moving. I don't see it moving.
Out. Dang.
Oh. Turn it on safe. Flip it the other way.
Dang, bro.
Alright, she's on safe. She's flipped the opposite way. We're gonna go out here and check. I know he hit that middle one. I saw it hit, heard it hit. But after we check this is gonna be the end of today's video, guys.
I legit could not see the gray one at all.
Couldn't see it?
Yeah, I just took the white one and scooted over.
That gray one's really hard to see. Like, here, let's see how long it takes you to be able to see it. Still can't see it on the camera. You can kind of see it now.
Dang, I didn't hit it.
It blends in perfectly.
I swear I heard a dink.
He did hit that one though. Zoom that back out. You did hit that middle one though. No more on the white. We got one right there though. Oh, look. They came to visit. Here, let's come pet a horse.
Which horse?
I don't know.
Where's Gunner?
Where is Gunner?
Oh,
He's probably pinned up.
No,
Yeah.
he's over there. He's over there.
You want to pet Cowboy? Cowboy's your favorite?
Yeah.
Hi, buddy. This is Cowboy, one of our mini horses. Mini horses. Mini horses.
Big horses, but
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I thought we only had 6. I guess we have 7 of them. Yeah, I forgot about Gunner, honestly. Here, Gunner. This is the newest horse. He's still a little shy. Come here, baby. Pretty horse, though. But, guys, I think with him hitting that was a pretty good finale on this video. Like I said, make sure to be checking up on those 4 days. I'm going to try and have a video posted. Like I said, 4 videos a week. Hopefully that'll be enough. I don't know. I'm gonna try and post as many as I can, but those 4 are gonna be, if those don't get posted, something's wrong. I'm gonna try my best to get those done though. But yeah, guys, remember, like, comment, subscribe. Check out our sponsor, Midwest Orion. They got the best phone mounts for your bow, your crossbow, your gun, your pistol. And the only reason I wasn't using one today was because I'm using my phone to film. So yeah, make sure you check them out. Mention that I sent you. They might give you a discount. But yeah, guys, let's just sign it off with this beautiful, beautiful land out here. I think that right there is going to be our sign off. All right. Y'all have a wonderful night.
Midwest Orion. Live in the trees.